Welcome back to the channel, guys, and this is a pretty interesting video because this is the first unboxing I'm doing in I think 4 or 5 months. I think the last one I did was the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and that's been quite a while. So yeah, today we have AirTag and the Belkin keyring, which are both available to buy right now. And the AirTag is pretty decent value in my opinion. It's only £29, and this accessory is £11. So this is a pretty decent combo right here, and I would recommend a lot of you guys to go for this combo. But anyways, enough waffling, let's get in. So I'm really looking forward to this. Finally, after 2 years of leaks and rumors, AirTag is a thing. I can't believe it, but it's here. And of course, let's take a look right now. Now, of course, the packaging is pretty simple. Oh yeah, something quite interesting, but a lot of packages actually say 2019 for the copyright. Now mine says 2020, which still means that these were ready last year. So clearly Apple had plans to release AirTags way earlier, but because of COVID and all kinds of delays, things got pushed back. But thankfully, they're now a thing. Again, why am I waffling? Let's just delve in. So let me just cover up the serial number and let's pull this tab thing. Ooh, very nice. Okay. And this is how it comes off. Why am I struggling? Is it the top? Wait.
2 hours later.
Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, the pull tab didn't do its job, but there we go. Okay, we're in. Okay. So we're opening this up and boom, AirTag. Nice. Okay. So opening it up, I think we'll see the AirTag inside. There it is. Very small, and of course Apple does give us a bunch of instructions that I don't need to look at. So let's delve into the AirTag itself. Let's take it out. Now I did not engrave this because honestly I just couldn't think of anything to engrave, you know, the AirTag with, but it looks pretty good. It looks like a I don't know if this is a UK thing, but in primary school we used to get something called the white badge, and it's very similar to this. Like, white badges were like Pokemon cards, but for nerds. You would collect white badges. Anyways, this looks pretty good. Feels pretty premium, got some heft to it. Now, of course, if I pull this, I believe the battery will, there we go. Ooh. Okay, so now that means it's activated, I believe. So let me get my iPhone 12. Let's open this up. Boom. There we go. Oh, that's just the Apple ecosystem right there. It just works seamlessly. Anyways, let's connect. I'm gonna use this for my keys, so I'll put keys. Okay, and that's gonna be blurred, but yeah. And setting up. Oh, that's my full name. Yeah. Fun fact. There you go. So setting up, taking some time, but it's fine. Oh, there we go. Boom. It works. Okay. Yeah, view and find my app. Wow, that was instant. That was such a seamless process. Like, I thought, you know, it would take like a good minute or two, but that was like literally seconds. Like, it was actually instant. So that's set up. I think that works. Now let's take a look at the keyring from Belkin. So the interesting thing about this keyring, okay, is that on the packaging, there is not a single mention of the word AirTag. In fact, it just says your new device. So clearly, these were made before the release of AirTags. I think that Belkin, much like a lot of accessory makers, basically thought the release would be way earlier, and so they had cases ready, but of course, that was not the case, and they weren't sure of the name, so I can understand why they did it, but either way, it is a little weird. Anyways, enough waffling from me again. Let's just tuck into this packaging. So this one is a little easier for me to open, which is a good thing. Take it. Okay, maybe. Okay, I'm flopping again. You see, this is why I don't do unboxings, because I am terrible at just opening packages. Like, I just don't know why. Okay. Okay. Why do I struggle so? Okay. Is it just me? There we go. That was seamless. That was not an issue at all. Yes. Okay. Anyways, opening it up, and that is it. Yeah, pretty basic stuff. Let's take this out. I got the white Though this comes in different colors. I just got the white to match the AirTag, but yeah. So there's a 2-part thing and the key ring. Now I'll get my keys later. I don't know where they are. But God's sake. I'm just struggling with everything today. It's just not looking good, boys. Okay, anyways. Keyring, the AirTag, which honestly, I can't lie, looks a little weird without anything on it. I kind of regret not engraving it. But anyways, enough of that. Let's put this on. I believe it's like this. See, now I'm worried because obviously you might have seen in the reviews from the bigger YouTubers, this stainless steel back scratches really easily, and I'm surprised this case actually doesn't cover that. Now, I did read that apparently this needs to be exposed for better signal. I don't know if that's true, but maybe that is the case because obviously they could have given us some sort of like protection, like some sort of plastic layer, but they didn't. So maybe it does need to be exposed, but anyways, let's put this on. That clips on. Well, that's quite nice. Good fit. Okay. And the keyring. I do not know how a keyring works. Okay. Seriously. Okay. You know what? I'm just going to stop fumbling around. Let's just delve in. So let's take a look at the settings with AirTags and what you can do with them. So we have lost mode, which why don't we actually try out? Enable. So, okay. So this is going to give you notification. So you can leave your phone number message on this, which is pretty cool. And okay, so it's linked to your Apple ID, so no. Oh, that's interesting. So I wonder if you can like unpair this and use this with another iPhone, because I was actually sort of thinking that maybe my mom could actually use this instead, because if I'm being honest with you guys, I rarely lose things, and of course, touch wood, but I haven't lost anything major in the last few years, and so honestly I probably won't be utilizing, you know, this tech as some other people would in my family, aka my mom. So it would be interesting to see if I can actually unpair this from my account and give it to her. We'll have to wait and see, but anyways, let's activate this. So going, okay, so how do I... Okay, so I'm assuming I have to lose it. Yeah, okay, that makes it. I'm just very dumb. Anyways, okay, obviously we can't try out lost mode right now, but I want to hear how loud the speaker is. Now, we did hear a bit of it at the beginning, but let's play again. That is pretty loud for a speaker that, you know, it's hidden. Like, you can't see the actual speaker, and it's pretty loud. But honestly, that's about it for my first impressions. There isn't much for me to say or do with an item tracker, so yeah, that's about it for this video. But let me know in the comments below, what do you want me to test with AirTags? Is there any Find My features you want me to check out? Anything you want to know, I'll try and help you in the comments below. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see ya peeps. There we go.